Everybody, this is Nancy with Never Enough Acre Board Goats, and just got the feeding done. It's a nice afternoon out here. Temperature has dropped, sun is going down. If you would like our video, share it, and then subscribe to our channel. That would help our channel out greatly, and we would appreciate it. Bringing you another video here on a Friday afternoon of some of the animals around. Hello, Galua. What you doing? Are we stretching? Are we stretching, girl? Huh? Pretty Galua. It's so pretty. Yes, there is. It's so pretty. Come, babies. Come, babies. Oh, look at them sweet babies. We have 5 geese on the farm. 2 are very quiet, usually stays with the goats. 3 are very noisy. They never shut up. And then you have the big old draft horse out grazing. And there's the baby calves again. They're so sweet. Yes, they are. They're so sweet. I know you want petted. I know you guys want petted. You want to bite. You just want to bite. It's a nice evening out. Just got all the feeding done. Hello, noisies. Hello there, noisies. Hello, Mamush. I'll just go get some. You can do penicillin if you want.
Penicillin's not going to bring her temperature down, Mom.
Okay. Hello, Moosh. Hello, Yahtzee. Moon. Drama. And here comes Cinnamon. Her got left behind. And everybody come down to get a drink. And we got the noisy gooses.